Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create a bow using this burlap ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree. And it's not your traditional way of tying a bow, so if you're interested in seeing this technique, please do stick around. Welcome guys to my creative corner. This is Claudette, where I create projects using stamps, inks, papers, mixed media, embellishment, and a whole lot of joy. So if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. So let's get into today's projects. So this technique I saw from, I think it was Crafty Jen. I saw a lot of different techniques outside of tying the bow, and I liked her technique. Okay, so we're gonna need 4 strips of the ribbon. We're gonna need 2 pieces that's 18 inches long, 1 piece that is 15 inches long, and then a small little piece that's 6 inches long. All right, so we're gonna start out with one of the 18 pieces. We're gonna go ahead and just kind of fold this down here where the edges would overlap just a little bit. And you could hot glue those down if you choose to. I'm gonna try to avoid the hot glue only because when I compress the middle, I want it to be pliable. And it's nice with the Dollar Tree, they have burlap and they have like seasonal colors. So it's springtime and they had this beautiful green. So I'm going to come in with the 15-inch and I am going to overlap those edges as I did with the 18 inches. This burlap ribbon is wired. So we're gonna lay that on top there. And the young lady that did this technique, she hot glue her edges together, but I'm gonna see if I could get away with not hot gluing it. So next what I'm gonna do is bring in the other 18-inch piece. I'm gonna bend this. It's gonna be the tails of our bow. And I'm just gonna bend it in the middle that is centered. Then we're gonna put it here on top of the rest of the pieces. Okay, so we're gonna bring in the 6-inch piece and I am going to hot glue this one down because I don't think it would stay. I'm gonna bring in my silicone mat. So I'm gonna bring in my hot glue gun and then we're gonna go ahead and take this and fold it in maybe a quarter of the way. And I'm just gonna add a little hot glue here to one edge. I am just gonna use my bone folder to rub that down so I won't get burned. And I'll do that to the other edge. And let's fold that in, overlapping those edges. I'm just gonna add a little bit here to the middle. Fold that over. And some to the edges here. I'm just trying to avoid a lot of the glue so it doesn't make it harder to bend. Okay, so this is what we'll have for the centerpiece. So next what we're gonna do is bring this together here. We're gonna fold this piece down. And this shorter piece is going to lap over. You're gonna hide your seams back here. This is gonna be your 2 legs here. You're gonna make sure that those are still even. You see how this is starting to look, guys? And we're gonna squeeze down the middle of this and we're gonna bring this around here to the back. Make sure our seams are covered. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take some hot glue and we're gonna hot glue that down to the back. So I'm gonna pull this tight and just wrap. You could cut it short, but I'm gonna wrap this around twice. Add some more glue. Let's just trim that up. Get any creative value from this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Smash that like button down below. Okay, so this is how our back is looking. I squeezed that down and wrapped it around twice. And now this is the legs. And then you make sure those are nice and even. And then what we're gonna do is just fluff up the ears of your bow. Then what we're gonna do is make some points down to the tail. I'm just gonna fold this, double this over here. Then I'm gonna cut this on an angle. And then I have my little banner cut. And then I am going to do the same thing on this side. Kind of fold that in half. I'm just gonna take my other little piece, put it here. See if I just take off the almost the same amount. And there we have our bow. This is probably measuring 8 1/4 inch in size. Get out there and be creative. Thank you guys for tuning in to my creative corner. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.